Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to change color of any object in Photoshop. Go to Tools panel, use Object Selection tool, and draw a rectangle around the object you want to change color of. Wait a moment. Now you have a perfect mask. Go to Layers panel, choose Adjustment Layers, and choose Hue Saturation. Click Colorize. Now you can change color using Hue slider. You can adjust the color, you can adjust saturation, you can adjust lightness. I recommend leaving lightness as it was. As you can see, the old color is still blinking through. To fix that, you can click on the mask and use feather to make the edges slightly softer. To make it even better, double-click on the mask. Use feather once again and use Shift Edge to adjust the edge. Looks good. Click OK. Now the color is changed. Subscribe to get to know more Photoshop tips.